Hi, Joe Evan here, Crete Truck Center, Stevens Point, showing you our stock number, MD74245. This is a 2024 Mack MD7 33,000 GVW truck. Truck features a Cummins ISB 6.7 liter 300 horse engine, Allison 2500 series 6-speed transmission, 12,000 pound front axle, 21,000 pound rear axle with side differential lock. On this truck we have mounted a 14-foot Landscaper body. It's a Magna series from J Craft. 14-inch sides, 24-inch tailgate. It's got dual folding sides on it. Front side folds down first, back side second. Also features a 2-foot ProTech series toolbox, also called a backpack. Take a look inside. Comfortable driver's seat. Also has a bench seat so you can fit the whole crew in this one and get everybody to the job site. If you have any questions on this truck or any of our other inventory, give me a call. Again, this is Joe Evan, Crete Truck Center, Stevens Point, 715-347-4990. Thank you.